Jaiswal has given the strike to Divyanshu Saxena, and it's the last ball of the over. Wasim Akram bowling to left-hander Divyanshu Saxena, and I hope it goes for four. Yes, Divyanshu Saxena has uh, placed it in gap, and it's gone for four. Very well timed by Divyanshu Saxena. He's an under 19 player, and he played well against Wasim Akram, Pakistani legendary bowler. I hope he will place it for leg side, and even it's gone for four, but he timed it really late. But it's not an issue. But it's gone for four. So Divyanshu Saxena has scored back-to-back boundaries, and yes, Divyanshu section has scored back-to-back boundary, and they have changed their fielding placement. So Wasim Akram has also changed his length and area, and he's trying to hit over offside, and even it's gone for four. Very well placed by Divyanshu Saxena, and Wasim Akram is on, like he's in big pressure, like where to ball him, and he has scored back-to-back boundaries. And Wasim Akram is trying to bowl bouncer. I think it may be a slow one or fast one, and Divyanshu Saxena is trying to hit for a six, and it's gone for four. Very well placed. It was a very well placed. It was a uppercut and good placement. And again Pakistani bowlers are changing their field placement. So Divyansh Saxena has scored back-to-back three boundaries, and I hope he goes for. Oh, it is a dot ball. He did not take any risk, Divyansh Saxena, because there was a high possibility of run out. So Wasim Akram is bowling his fifth ball, and yes, and he gone for same shot, but he missed it. Okay, hope where he bowls this ball, and even this ball he's trying to hit for a same side, and it's a dot ball. Very good comeback from Wasim Akram. He finished his tour, but ended up as wicketless. So now, yes, Mushtaq is bowling his first over, and he's bowling his second over, and very well placed from Divyanshu Saxena, but he settles with only one run, so he's off the mark. And now Sohail is bowling to Divyanshu Saxena. 17 runs scored by Divyanshu Saxena, and where does he go? I think he might go for leg side. There's a fielder out there, and he goes for four. Very well placed in the gap, and very well timed. So Pakistani players are very worried about Divyanshu Saxena, and required run rate is over 10 and above, and the team is under extreme pressure because there is no very good players in their team, as it's a match against India under 19 versus Pakistan Master Smith. It's a legends under 19 players versus legends players, so they have to play really carefully. So they can't take too many risks, as there is no better batsman in their squad. They have best batsmen, and and the others are like average players. They are not hitters like Divyanshu Saxena, Priyam Garg, and so on. So they can't afford to take too many risks. And Sohail balls his fourth ball. I think it's gone for. He takes one run, Divyanshu Saxena, and it's a direct hit, and it's not out. Umpire says it's not out. Yes. Sohail conceded 10 runs of this over, and he misses it, Divyanshu Saxena. And Divyanshu Saxena faces Mushtaq. He has scored 26 of 13 ball, and in the rate of 200 strike rate, and he takes a single and gets off the mark. And they are in extreme pressure right now, and hope where he bowls Mushtaq. And defensive section is bowling. He's got 27 of 14 ball. I think he against go for same slot, and takes a single out there. And yes, 47 needed of 27 ball. Ace Soil is bowling. I think he might take double. Yes, and I think he can reach the crease safely, and he reaches the crease safely. And bowler are in extremely pressure as they are finding very difficult to pick the wicket of Divyanshu Saxena, and he's doing his job by taking singles and doubles and putting a lot of pressure on Pakistani bowlers. One wicket of Divyanshu Saxena can change the fortune of Pakistani team. They are very worried about the wicket of worried how to pick the wicket of Divyanshu Saxena, and tries to ball, and they are trying to ball different variation, and he chops it and gets 2 runs. Even 2 to 3 runs can hurt Pakistani bowlers. 1 runs does not does not hurt them. He is finding for an area to score 4 and 6 that can ease the pressure of Indian team. And again he chops it for a sing. Okay, he is going for two, and I think he safely makes it. Very good running between the wickets, and yes, it's not out. I think so. Oh, yes, it's safe. Divyanshu Saxena is safe. Now India has the hope of winning the match. Let's see. Let's see what is going to happen in the end. Decision pending, and it's not out. Why are they taking more time to uh, declare this decision? Against they are changing their field. He scored four. He scored two runs, four consecutive balls. I think he might go for two once again, and he misses it. He mistimes. Okay, last ball of the over. What is going to do? Maybe one or two or four. I think he might go for two, and he safely reaches for the two. And AS will consider 10 runs of the over. J and he goes for six. Divyanshu Saxena is in prime form, and he's the one man army of the team. His performance cannot win the match for India under 19. Along with him, his non-striker should also perform like him. So and he scores boundary of, and it's four. Brilliant piece of batting by Divyanshu Saxena, and bowler is in extreme pressure, and I think he might take single run. Yes, and he reaches safely. And Imran Khan, Pakistani Prime Minister, is bowling to Divyanshu Saxena, and Priyam Garg is on non-striker scent, and he goes for two. Yes, Divyanshu Saxena reaches two very safely, and he even reaches his half century. He reaches 50 in a safe manner, and it's a time for him to take risk as risk is necessary for them to reach the victory. And Imran Khan is bowling his second ball. I think he might go and hit for offside, and he takes double run, and he reaches safely to the crease, and 20 runs needed of 10 ball. Who win? Who will win this match? Comment in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel for all the video related, or for all cricket related news and updates in Kannada and English. And fielder takes the catch. It's the end of Divyanshu Saxena's innings.